So hey, this is going to be a YouTube video, which is really cool because, people can post pretty much anything on YouTube. So I decided, why not post high definition videos for my Facebook friends? Well, this is a little song I dedicate to my friend Isabella. Basically, what this situation is we would call her Isababa at first. Yeah, we would call her Isababa, and then we just started calling her Bob. So it turns out her middle name was Julia. So I thought, Bob Julia? Nah, Bobby Joe. 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 Her name's Bobby. Also Joe. Yeah, that's right, goes that way, ho. Bobby Joe. 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 Thank you. How do I stop this? How do I stop this?